Hello everyone, my name is Lamia and today we're gonna make falafel. By the way, this is vegan meal, no meat at all. Okay, falafel, main ingredient is chickpeas. I have chickpeas and water. I'm gonna leave it for 4 or 5 hours. And I'm gonna use my food processor just to mince it. Okay, so now I'm adding the baking powder, and you don't wanna add too much spicy or too much herbs because it's gonna turn black. You just leave it very simple: salt, pepper, garlic, and that's it. Now fry them a little bit hard. See, brown, nice color. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.